Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to a new plugin showcase. Today we got Halloween Hunter, and this gives you the ability to add like custom skulls around your spawn for players to go and hunt them down for a Halloween theme for your server, which is pretty cool. So this does work on versions 1.7 to 1.14, so pretty much all your server versions, which is great. And you can add custom features and custom commands with this plugin. So the main command is Halloween and Hunter. That just brings up your main command, so you can add multiple commands all in game, and it's pretty simple. So you can do Halloween Hunter add, and then whatever command that you want without the slash. So basically it's going to be executing countable commands. So we can do give, and then we can do percent player, and that is the player placeholder. There is several other placeholders with this plugin, and this also does hook on with a placeholder API as well, so you can use the different placeholders with this, which is pretty nice. So let's go ahead and just give the player a diamond, keep it simple, and we'll give them one. And then now we can use this vertical line. I honestly forgot what it's called, and that just allows you to make several commands. So we can go ahead and give them something else. So we can give and then a player, and then we'll do like a diamond pickaxe. So we'll do diamond pickaxe, and there we go. I can space it out, and let's like broadcast a message. So we'll do a broadcast, and then we'll do a little color codes player, and then we'll say has found a head. Alright, so we'll just do that. So if you go ahead and enter that, it will give you a little skull right here. You can place wherever you want. So if you go ahead and place one right here, as you see, it has been placed, and there's a little custom texture that is with it. So you can place as many as you want wherever you want, which is really cool, and it just saves it in the configurations, which we will be into a little bit later. But yeah, you can just go ahead and place skulls around. And now if you go ahead and just right click, as you see, it says the broadcast perfectly. It gave ourselves a diamond and a diamond pickaxe, which is awesome. So if we try to click on it again, as you see, it does not work because we already claimed that. And you can enable messages in the config, but if you just go ahead and just click it all the way, and we can go ahead and click these other ones to make sure these work, and it is working fantastically. We are getting the messages as well as our items. So there we go. That is how you do it in game, but there's a few more features that you can change in the config that is not enabled by default. So let's go ahead and do that. Be sure to check out this video's sponsor, Songoda. Songoda is a new and unique marketplace where you can find free or paid custom plugins. With the help of continuous user and developer feedback, Songoda is continuously working towards making those ideas a reality. Visit the Songoda Marketplace and Discord with the links below. So let's go into our plugins folder for Halloween Hunter, and if you guys need a Minecraft host, be sure you check out ReviveNode.com. The link is down in the description. Guys, go purchase your server, and you can use the code STRIKER in all caps for 10% off your purchase. So let's go into our config.yml, and this is where we're going to be editing everything. And at the very top, we have our prefix Halloween Hunter, so you can change all this using color codes. And what's really cool about this, it has a top value, so whoever has claimed the most mob heads, it will list a value of 10, so like the top 10 basically, which is pretty nice. Then you have a final command as well, so we can set that to true, and if they claim as many like all the player heads, we can go ahead and like give the player, we don't need a color code right there, so we'll give the player, and then we'll give them like 100 diamonds, so we'll do a diamond and 100. Alright, and then we also have a firework animation, so let's go ahead and set that to true, just make it a little bit fancy. And then we'll have the messages enabled as well, because this tells you that it claimed, and then you also have it already claimed. And then over here are all the different types of locations that it stores and the commands, so you can change the commands in here as well. But I'm gonna head and reset these pretty much all in game, so I'll just remove all of them, and then I'll make a new command for all of this. But you can change them if they're in the same location. But one thing that I want to change right here is this claim prefix. So with Halloween Hunter, that has this built-in placeholders. So if you go to the plugin page, you can use these placeholders like with a placeholder API if you're using like a scoreboard or something. So you can just use these placeholders in here as well. But all you have to do is just copy this mob found and total mobs. Make sure they are in parentheses, because that is how the placeholders work. So make sure it's in parentheses, so that is going to be the mobs that the player has found versus the total mobs that there is. So that's pretty much everything that we have right here. Go ahead and just save that file, and then we can go reload it in game. So in game, you can do Halloween Hunter reload, and now just reload all your configs. So now we can go ahead and add a new command. So I'm just going to be adding a new command. So I'm just going to make this a diamond axe, and we'll do breaking 3. And so we'll do XP, give, and player, and we'll give them like 5 levels, right? So we'll do that, and now let's go ahead and place the skulls around. You can add them wherever you want, and go ahead and right click. As you see, there is 4 total, and it says you claim the mob. It gave us the diamond axe, which is awesome. So if we go into GM0, oh, let me reset my levels. Go ahead and reset my levels, make sure it does work. So there we go, we got 5 levels, and we got our axe. We go ahead and claim this one, there we go, and then 4 out of 4, it should give us 100 diamonds, and there we go, we just got 100 diamonds just like so, and it has the fireworks, which is pretty nice. So that is the Halloween Hunter plugin, pretty fun. You can add it to your guys' server, and players can go hunt the mob heads to give rewards. So hope you guys did enjoy. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.